The new era of Samsung is officially today. We finally know why Galaxy S24 series will be Samsung's most important flagship of all time. After long researching and development, Samsung has officially announced what could be the biggest selling feature of the Galaxy S24 series. Introducing Samsung Galaxy. This is Samsung's own self-development generating AI model. This is a lot powerful than I initially expected. Thanks next to Samsung Galaxy, your Galaxy S24 will become your AI chat friend, solving all of your issue and problem with the full worldwide knowledge of pretty much everything you can think of Samsung Galaxy. Also make the S24 coding beast, as it's also a code model. And fast forward, my favorite one is the image models. Samsung Galaxy will let you generate or edit image by the help of powerful AI. So to sum it up to a language model code as well as an image model, making it fast forward is the most powerful AI tool on a smartphone, and it's going to be implemented on the Galaxy S24 series. Yes, on all model. And in case you are wondering why it's called Galaxy, well, the AI model has been named after Carol French-Gross, who was a genius mathematician. They could have gone with something easier to pronounce, but considering the amount of abilities this AI model has, I can definitely understand why they went with this name. Now this AI model will be using all the AI capability of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Exynos 2400. Both of these two chips have an incredible powerful NPU. As much as I am excited about the hardware changes, this has to be one of the most exciting features of the entire S24 lineup, making the 2024 flagship super duper exciting. Let me know what you think about in this comment section below. In case you missed the previous video, it's a heavily rumored that Samsung will officially announce the S24 series on January 17. First in US, multiple sources from South Korea media has reported this date, so this might just be when Samsung is officially unveiled their next big. So if you are someone who is using the S22 Ultra or S21 Ultra and you're looking to forward to S24 lineup, well, you may not have to wait that long. Now at the Unpack event, there might be some other exciting product as well. Fast forward a new version of the Galaxy Buds Pro again. Anything in the leaks yet? So be sure to subscribe for all latest updates.